What we have learned so far is great for simple tasks that need to be completed where each action follows another in a clear order. As the tasks you need a robot to complete get more complicated, we need more information in our flowcharts for an activity to be completed successfully. Look at this example on your screen. We always start and end our flowchart with an ellipse shape, which helps us see where a program starts and when an activity is completed. Any action that needs to be taken should be inside a rectangle. Take one step forward or move forward for Vernie. Another shape that is important is this diamond. This is for any decisions that need to be made with a true or a false, yes, no as an answer. An example might be, have you taken 50 steps? Or thinking about our sensor classes, has the color sensor seen the color green? Yes or no? If yes, it might be our sign for Vernie to move forward. And just a reminder that when creating your flowcharts, it's important to remember that a robot thinks very logically. It will take the exact actions that it is programmed to do. So, when you create your flowchart, think very carefully about what exactly you want the robot to do and when. Give it clear tasks to complete and clear decisions that it needs to make. Another thing that you need to keep in mind when creating flowcharts is how much detail an action needs. Let's think about the first example I used at the start of the class where we created a simple flowchart to brush our teeth. Toothpaste on toothbrush, brush our teeth for 2 minutes, and then rinse. This is what we would call a low detail flowchart. A high detail flowchart would give more information to an action that needs to be completed. Let's think about the action I mentioned, brush our teeth for 2 minutes. We could break this down into separate actions. Brush the front of your teeth in a circular motion for 1 minute, and then going back and forward, brush your back teeth for 1 minute. This is what we would call a detailed flowchart. Now, let's think about how this might work when creating a program for Vernie. The activity for a low-level flowchart might be move forward, but a detailed flowchart could show an action to move forward in a straight line for 1 second. That would be considered a high detail flowchart action. Okay, let's give activity 3 a go.